In this video, we'll walk through how to configure the Rules section in the Asset Naming Assistant for HubSpot. The Rules tab defines how your asset names are structured and formatted. To begin, open the Configuration page and select the Rules tab. This tab controls separators, appended values, and how categories influence asset names. The first option is Separator Type. Separators make asset names easier to read. You can choose characters like underscores, hyphens, or others depending on your naming convention. Next, under Append to Asset Names, you can automatically add elements like an asset ID or an epoch timestamp. These ensure each asset name is unique and traceable. Finally, in the Choose Categories that affect asset names section, all created categories appear here. Select which categories should be included in asset naming and select the relevant asset types they apply to.